G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're today at a lovely home, 69 Limpus Street in the popular suburb of Urangan. This truly is a charming home, so let's go and take a look around. Positioned on a large 718 square metre allotment in the established area of the highly sought after location of Urangan, we are only minutes away from key amenities which do include the marina and boat ramps, Hervey Bay Boat Club, Urangan Central Shopping Centre, Esplanade Beach and iconic Urangan Pier. This great home will be ideal for those looking for a low maintenance home base to return to from your nomadic travels, the first home buyers looking to purchase in an established area with strong growth potential, or the astute investor. This home has been well maintained with a number of recent improvements over the last year, including freshly painted throughout, new kitchen, new ceiling fans and new split system air conditioning. This home includes 3 bedrooms, all with ceiling fans and 2 with built-in wardrobes. There are 2 bathrooms, with the main featuring a shower and separate toilet, and we have a second one being located to the rear of the home with shower and toilet. The well-designed kitchen includes an electric stove and large walk-in pantry. You will enjoy your morning coffee or tea from the large east-facing front veranda, along with Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical climate from the large covered outdoor entertaining area to the rear. Those looking to accommodate a number of vehicles will appreciate the clear side access through to the 2 large double bay sheds, both of which include power, and we have a high entry carport as well. This truly is a lovely home with established gardens throughout and nothing left to do except move in and enjoy the lifestyle that comes with living in beautiful Hervey Bay. The owners are not testing the market and are now calling for an immediate sale. So here's your opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.